Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Jamaica just missed the medal podium in the men's 400-meter final and the women's triple jump and did not add to its medal tally on day 6 at the World Athletics Championships. Jermaine Brown is in Tokyo and filed this report.
So, on a night when the rain fell at the Japan National Stadium on day 6 of the World Athletics Championships, the medal column remained dry for Jamaica in the steady flow of showers. National record holder Rashid McDonald was the best placed Jamaican finalist on the night as he clocked 44.28 seconds for fourth in the men's 400-meter final.
The stagger will unwind, and what will be the order at the moment? 80 metres to go. Kevin Achipi to the fore. Jareen Richards driving in lane 2. Kevin Achipi, can he turn it into a gold medal for Botswana? Kevin Achipi becomes the first ever champion for Botswana at the World Athletics Championships.
Botswana's Bosan Colin Kabina Shipi took gold in 43.53, while Trinidad and Tobago's Jareen Richards took silver in 43.72.
I think I leave the field too early. So, I leave the field too early, I get locked. It happened in 400.
Yeah.
I can't get a finish rate, but I'm cramping up right now, so I don't think I can manage no more. Yeah, but I will try my best though.
Yeah, the 4x4s to come. Surely we hope he can recover in time for that.
Yeah, I will start it. I will give them a good lead because in a better shape. Big up everybody who support me.
In the women's equivalent, national record holder Nikisha Price placed 8th in 49.97 in an event which saw American Sydney McLaughlin-Leveroni take gold in a scintillating championship record 47.78. She erased the previous record of 47.99, which had stood since 1983. It was also the second fastest time in the history of the event. Paris Olympic silver medalist Shanika Ricketts, who was ranked second in the world coming into the championships, endured a tough night as she ended 5th in the women's triple jump final with a best effort of 14.56 meters on the night. Ricketts reflected on her performance.
I had a few foul jumps, which you don't want to be fouling in a major final, and I think I'm just disappointed with the way things turned out, but I'm in another major final. I'm 5th in the world, and I just have to be grateful for that.
Jamaica's other competitor in the event, Akeelia Smith, placed 8th with 14.37 meters. Elsewhere on the night, defending champion Sherika Jackson, with a season's best at 21.99, was the fastest qualifier into the final of the women's 200 meters.
Now Sherika Jackson. Amy Hunt trying to get in the mix as well. What a season it's been for her. She'd love to make the final, but it's Brown in second at the moment. It could be tight. It's Jackson, followed by Hunt with Brittany Brown.
Ashanti Moore did not advance after placing 3rd in her semi-final in 22.51.
Well, this is Tobago.
In the men's equivalent, Brian Lavelle was once again impressive, clocking 19.78 to win his semi-final and make progress to the final.
Wonderful run. Tobago responding. Lindsay's having to work very hard in 3rd. Tobago now closing the gap. Wow. Lavelle and Tobago. Lindsay was 3rd, a long way back. 19.78.
Definitely will be electrifying. Just for me to go out there and give it my all.
Adrian Carr, with a personal best at 20.08, placed 5th in his semi-final but did not advance. And there was also a personal best for Christopher Taylor, who clocked 20.21 for 5th in his semi-final but did not advance.
On the line, Benarek.
There was jubilation for Navasky Anderson as he broke the national record for the men's 800 meters for the 3rd time this season, clocking an outstanding 1 minute 43.72 seconds to qualify for the final. Previous national record holder Tyrese Taylor did not advance as he clocked a minute 46.56 for 7th in his semi-final. In the women's 800 meters, national record holder Natoya Gould-Toppin clocked a minute 59.66 to win her heat and advance to the semi-finals. Compatriots Adele Tracy 2 minutes 01.70 and Kellyanne Beckford 2 minutes 02.63 did not advance. And there was disappointment for national champion Lamara Distin as she failed to register a mark in the preliminaries of the women's high jump. Reporting from the 20th World Athletics Championships in Tokyo, Japan, I am Jermaine Brown for TVJ Sports.